Hey, I'm Dave, checking in here at 118 Manning Street again. We're about 2 weeks in on our rough mechanicals, so I got the HVAC guys here, as well as the plumbers and the electrician. They've been working hard for a couple weeks here, and just go inside and take a look and see how far they've got. So we're up here in the attic. The HVAC guys, they got one of the units up here installed, and they pretty much got the attic done, and the second floor pretty much roughed in. Electrical guys too. This house has presented a little bit of a challenge as far as heating goes and cooling. It's just spaced out so much, and it's such a large house that you want to get all the zoning right, and that way you're getting proper heating and cooling everywhere. So we're getting close to the point to where we're actually start getting insulation, getting drywall up. But we got a few weeks before we get all that stuff done. We still got to get smoke detectors installed, which these guys are here today doing, as well as getting a security system in. The electrician, Mike Donald, start running low voltage for TVs, speakers, and all that good stuff. We got the installation guys scheduled in a couple weeks here to get everything all buttoned up, get the house nice and airtight, and we'll be moving along.